Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Welcome to Cocktails. Panther and I would like to invite you to the deck of the cruise ship, or bad decisions in the 90s at an Applebee's on a Monday night. Yes, I'm talking about the Bahama Mama. It's actually not a difficult drink to make, but bad decisions were made along the way while drinking them for many of us. It's composed of dark rum. I'm going to use Myers. Coconut rum. I'm going to use Blue Chair Bay. Oh, Lord help me. Grenadine, that lovely red syrup that gives us nightmares. Pineapple juice. And orange juice. And then we need a big hurricane glass with a goofy looking straw to pour it in, because what else would make it complete? Maybe a big chunk of pineapple or a strawberry or an orange rind, something that just screams bad decisions on a Monday. So this is really an easy drink. So it's not shaken, it is turned. Here's the crazy part. It's 1 ounce of everything except grenadine. It's a half ounce of that. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1/2. So let's just get started. 1 ounce of this. And 1 ounce of this. So dark rum and coconut rum. And then 1 ounce of pineapple. And 1 ounce of orange. And finally, a half an ounce of this red sugar syrup, of which nightmares are made. Take all that, you can spin it together, you can hit it with a bar spoon if you like, that's all you got to do. And then just in your glass, pour it over ice. And there she is. My nemesis, the Bahama Mama. Until next time, if you've got a drink you'd like me to make or something you'd like me to make in the kitchen, all you got to do is drop me a line, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. It means the world, and I love to hear what you have to say. Eat fabulous, drink fabulous. See you on the next one.